Hi guys, it's Coach Michael here at WildForestGym. I'm here today with Alan. Alan, tell me, what is your nemesis when it comes to obstacle racing?
Hang tough.
Hang tough?
Yep.
What penalties did you pay for not being able to do the hang tough?
Losing my UK champs band.
Aha. Okay, let's see what your current ability is like, okay? Okay. Nice one. Cool. Okay. Needed a bit of refining, I think. Okay. Lean all the way back. Go. All the way back. Go. All the way back. Go. Tell me what that feels like.
Amazing.
All right, how long did that take you to do that?
What, just then? Oh, to learn it.
To learn that?
About an hour.
An hour?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at how you were before. How's it feel?
Massive difference.
Yeah?
Fantastic, yeah. Brilliant.
Good.
Feel on top of the world.
Excellent. You never imagined you had to do that?
No, not after an hour. No, I thought it was going to take 3 or 4 sessions.
Cool.